Hi guys, Rich here from Wheelspin. So we're doing a car unboxing video today. It's this, my new TT-02 Tamiya chassis with the Escort Cosworth body shell. So firstly, on the choice of body shell, the Cosworth is one of my favourite cars of all time, so that wasn't a difficult choice at all. In terms of the chassis itself, the reason I've picked the Tamiya TT-02 is because I've had many customers ask me this question: can the Tamiyas, some of the old Tamiya kits such as this, handle the more modern setups such as the brushless motors? So hopefully guys, we're going to answer that question for you. I'll give you a very quick sneak peek of what we're going to be putting in this car. So we'll go through that in more detail shortly, but just for now, let's unbox this car and see what we get inside. Right guys, so we've unboxed the car, so we've got all the components here. If you want to take a closer look, we've got the clear body shell, which will obviously need painting. All these components here are all plastic, obviously being a Tamiya, all plastic components. So we've got the usual part trees that you get with the Tamiya kits. So we've got what looks like the lower chassis components there, like the lower arms. We've got what looks like the hubs on this tree here. So all the drive shaft components are here. The ends are metal, but the cups are plastic, and then the drive shafts themselves are also plastic. We've got the main chassis plate here, which is obviously again all plastic. Foam bumper to prevent any front impacts, hopefully. We've got the spoiler for the body shell, standard wheels and tyres, and then the electronic parts here. So it does actually come with a brushed speed controller, but we will be upgrading that, so that's kind of won't be needed. We've got the standard motor here, again upgraded, so that won't be needed, so that'll be a spare. And then we've got all the suspension parts in here, a few tools, pinion gear, we've got the grease for the differentials, a few other bits and pieces in there. One part I wanted to mention was this here is an aftermarket option, so it's a ball bearing set. This doesn't come with the kit, so I've bought this separately, so that can go in with the kit. Essential upgrade if you want to put a brushless motor or anything decent in this kit, because it's all copper bushes, so it won't handle it without decent ball bearings. So then we've got the stickers for the body shell, we've got the instruction manual, and then plain black aerial and some final plastic components there. So we've got the battery bar, receiver box, motor cover, motor plate. Again, definitely expect that to break eventually, so we'll upgrade that. We'll upgrade all the parts as we go. So that's pretty much it guys, we'll end the video there. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.